Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Rice Krispie treats. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 cups of crispy rice cereal, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 1 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This classic dessert is simple to prepare and always a crowd pleaser, perfect for any occasion or a quick snack. Next, take a large saucepan and melt 3 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add the entire 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. Stir continuously until the marshmallows are completely smooth and gooey. It's crucial to keep the heat low to prevent burning. As soon as they are melted, remove the pan from the heat to avoid overcooking. Now, quickly add the 6 cups of crispy rice cereal to the melted marshmallow mixture. Stir gently until the cereal is evenly coated. Work quickly before the mixture cools too much. Then, press the mixture firmly and evenly into a greased 9x 13-inch pan. You can use a buttered spatula or wax paper to help with pressing. Let it cool completely. Allow your Rice Krispie treats to cool for at least 30 minutes at room temperature, or you can place them in the refrigerator for quicker setting. Once firm, cut them into 2-inch squares using a sharp, buttered knife. These treats are perfect for parties, lunchboxes, or just a sweet snack. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, delicious Rice Krispie treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.